5 extensions that you must have on VS Code. Do you still go to Pubspec YAML to add the new package? You need to upgrade yourself, my friend. You can install Pubspec Assit, and from anywhere inside your application, just open command palette, write down the name of the package, and here you have it. And also it sorts the package in proper order. How cool is that? Do you think this folder structure is pretty boring? You can install extension VSCode-icons, and all of the folders and files will have a respective icon, and it looks awesome as well. What if your application contains so much of comment? You can write a better comment with the help of this extension. You can define deprecated APIs, important comments, and also if you want to have some chit chat, you can write a question mark as well. Okay, enough of decoration thing. Do you still write your stateful and stateless widget yourself? Then it's time to add GetX Snippet, and with that you can easily generate all the pages. You can easily wrap widget inside OBX, and you can do a lot more things. Now this package is my personal favorite. If you have ever encountered the situation that you have to go and scroll down or entire detail to find out what is the issue, you can install the extension Error Lens, and what it will do, as you start writing, it's going to give you all the issues and errors in the same line. So you can see that it is complaining about the child. When you have the child, it is complaining that it cannot be null, and it will make you perfect. It will not leave you until you write a perfect code. Well, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comment section which packages you are already using and which one sounds very interesting to you. And if you're new here, you can consider subscribing the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.